lesson is about Photoshop tutorials part 1, and we will learn about how to create a new file and save it as JPEG. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop CS5. Now come up to File, New File, rename it to Extreme Learning. Change width to 700 pixels, height 450 pixels, resolution 72 pixels each, color mode RGB color, 8-bit, background contents white. Okay, so as you can see, this is a blank background, white background. Now let's save it. To do that, first of all, come up to File. There's two ways to save your document. Is clicking Ctrl S or Ctrl Shift S. Another way is in File, clicking Save As. Here, if you want to save it as PSD means Photoshop project, continue. Photoshop PSD. Here, save it, and let's save it as JPG file. Save as JPG. Okay. Now let's taste it. Before, close this document file, open your file. As you can see, this is Extreme Learning, background color is white, and when I click this PSD, I can continue my project from here. Subscribe to Extreme Learning. Until next time, bye. Hi everyone, my name is Abdulaziz, and today's lesson is about Photoshop tutorials part 1, and today we are gonna learn about creating a new file and saving it as JPG. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop CS5. You can also use CS6 or another version. I use Photoshop CS5 because my Windows is 7 and 32-bit. Now, when Photoshop opens, come up to File, New, rename your project. I'm just gonna rename it Extreme Learning. Width 700, height 450, resolution 72 pixels in each pixel, color mode RGB, 8-bit, background contents white. Okay, when you open this file, you can see this blank file here. To save it, you can use Ctrl Shift S or Ctrl S for save, or you can also use File, Save As. Here, just call it as Extreme Learning, save it as PSD for Photoshop, continue your project, save it as JPG, for image. Okay, let's open your file. Now as you can see, this is our file. First file, it's white background, and I will just put this file down here. When I click this Extreme Learning, I can continue my project. Subscribe to Extreme Learning. Until next time, bye.